An insect repellent, also commonly called as bug spray, is a substance that is applied on skin, clothing, or other surfaces to discourage insects from landing or climbing on that surface. Many of them contain chemicals which can be harmful for humans if they are not used properly. To minimize the risk of harm, it is important to follow safety when using insect repellents. For humans, children may be at greater risk for adverse reactions to repellents, in part because their exposure may be greater. Children can be at greater risk of accidental eye contact or ingestion. As with chemical exposures in general, pregnant women should take care to avoid exposures to repellents when practical, as the fetus may be vulnerable. Some experts also recommend against applying chemicals such as DEET and sunscreen simultaneously since that would increase DEET penetration. Canadian researcher Shaoshan Gu, a professor at University of Manitoba's Faculty of Pharmacy who led a study about mosquitoes, advises that DEET should be applied 30 or more minutes later. Gu also recommends insect repellent sprays instead of lotions which are rubbed into the skin, forcing molecules into the skin. Regardless of which repellent product is used, it is recommended to read the label before use and carefully follow directions. Usage instructions in repellents vary from country to country. Some insect repellents are not recommended for use on younger children.
In the DEET re-registration eligibility decision, the United States Environmental Protection Agency reported 14 to 46 cases of potential DEET-associated seizures, including 4 deaths, but the overall seizure rate is low.
The EPA states it does not appear that some cases related to DEET toxicity, but observed that 30% of U.S. population using DEET, the likely seizure is only about 1 per 100 million users.
The Pesticide Information Project of Cooperative Extension Offices of Cornell University states that Everglades National Park employees having extensive DEET exposure were more likely to have insomnia, mood disturbances, and impaired cognitive function than were lesser exposed co-workers.
EPA states that citronella oil shows little or no toxicity and has been used as a topical insect repellent for 60 years. However, the EPA also states that citronella may also cause irritation and dermatitis in certain individuals. Indian regulatory authorities is concerned with citronella-based repellents is primarily based on data gaps toxicology, not on incidents.
Only formulations containing DEET, icaridine, ethyl-butyl acetyl-aminopropionate, and cetridiol are available, as many natural insect repellents have been deemed ineffective and are no longer permitted for sale as insect repellents in the EU.
For other animals, encaridine, also known as picaridine, an insect repellent which can be used directly in skin or clothing. A 2018 study found that a commercial repellent product containing 20% encaridine, in which the authors describe as conservative exposure doses, is highly toxic to salamander larvae. The LC50 standard was additionally found to be completely inadequate in the context of finding this result.
Permethrin is highly toxic to cats, not to dogs or humans. Cats are more sensitive to permethrin than dogs or people because it takes their bodies a long time to break it down. Now that you have gained information about the disadvantages and advantages of applying insect repellent on our skin, we would like you to follow these guidelines for you to be safe. And a friendly reminder for everyone, safety is our #1 priority. Thank you.